Welcome to Toolhive. In this video, we will explore the Tool Catalog tab, which is a part of Items section. When you log into Toolhive, you will see the My Items tab open by default, where you can see all your tool item-related data you created earlier in your account. Now, if you switch to Tool Catalog tab, you will be able to access the readily available tool data from multiple tooling brands at your fingertips. At the moment, Tool Catalog contains more than 400,000 articles from 15 tool manufacturers with all the parameters as well as 2D and 3D models. From the top, you can access different types of filters which will help you to find your data quickly and effectively. There is also a filter to choose which manufacturer's tool you want to search. Now let's try to transfer one article from here to My Items. I am looking for a milling cutter from Hoffman with a diameter of 40 millimeters and a gauge length of 55 millimeters. I will choose the Hoffman from Manufacturer drop-down here and then search for milling cutter by typing manually. After you input all the necessary filters, search results will be displayed within a few seconds. Because I'm looking for a specific tool, I will apply more filters in the parameters section where I will put DC range from 40 to 45 and XS range from 55 to 60. Then I will click on Apply. This will take a few seconds to load the desired result. Once a result is displayed, for a quick view, you can go to any item data record and click on this arrow to access basic information. If you click on the item ID, then it will open the detailed item information. Here you will get a complete overview of basic data of the tool along with its 2D, 3D models, and image, as well as parameters at the bottom. Now click on Add to Inventory to transfer this tool article into your database. Now fill in the item ID and item description as per requirement and click on Add. Within a few seconds, the article will be transferred into your database successfully. Thank you for watching.